The reason that I choose to offer my clients assessments is twofold. Oftentimes people are coming from a legacy solution where I may be experienced and I can help them assess what it takes for them to stay on that same solution and what a potential redeployment might look like. Or also maybe they're not getting the most out of that solution just simply based on how they might be deployed. The other thing that assessments let us do is, oftentimes people aren't aware of what they don't know when it comes to maybe how they're integrating data from source systems and how they're applying that inside of their solution. As a result, helping people understand, one, the data sets that they're working with and how we can work with that inside of those solutions allows them to also extract additional value. The other thing that, in my opinion, assessments allow you to do is take advantage of, what I've seen work across the 250 or more deployments that we have done as a firm, as well as our own practical experience, in that ultimately we're able to help you understand this is what other companies have done. This might be how other people typically addressed the problem of, how their chart of accounts is organized in order to be able to, present a natural P&L and then also a functional P&L. So by virtue of having that level of experience across, the number of deployments and optimizations that we've done as a firm, we're able to help companies across industries assess, what their processes are. The other thing that assessments let me do is help share some of what I see in the industry that's, exciting about the new platforms. There are oftentimes I introduce partners in or other software vendors who I may not be a partner with because, one, I think it could be interesting to that customer to, one, widen their candidate base of potential solutions. And part of what people are not seeing in the market, if you're going to a consulting firm, 9 times out of 10, that consulting firm only positions solutions they work with. If you start a conversation with me, I'm going to help you understand the market. I will give you my honest feedback on those solutions, but then I'm more than happy to ride along with you on the demos and help you compare notes or build notes around those solutions. And then ultimately, ideally, you would love to work with us in a solution that we deploy, but sometimes that's not always the answer. And if that's not the answer, we're at least able to part friends, and hopefully you'll want to talk with me the next time you move on to another opportunity.